Hello guys, and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create queue in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need just to go to the setup menu, and from here we will need just to click on the setup page. It will take us to the Lightning experience, and from here we need just to search for queues. So here you can find the queues, and basically now we can create our new queue. Basically in this list, you will need just to click on new. By clicking on new, you will find all the options about queue. So here you will need just to add the queue name and email addresses. So it's labeled new queue, and it will be, for example, like that, and it will give it a queue name automatically, and you can assign an email only for this queue. It can be as a group or as a queue, whatever you like. And then you can choose if you want to send the email to the members, etc. And after that, you will need just to add or the object that you want to manipulate for this queue. Would it be the cases, images, or lead, or any objects that you will need to include? So for example, we can use task, and here you will need just to assign queue members to this queue. You can search from groups, and basically you will need just to click on any member. You click add, and then you will need just to click on save, and now you will have successfully created your own queue. Of course, you can edit it if you would like at any time. You will need just to go and click edit, and then click save again. So basically, this is how you can create queues in Salesforce. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.